One thing you should know about me is I like my money where I can see it. And that's right here on this shelf or in my closet. I am so excited. Literally, I just got the package like less than 5 minutes ago. I was like, I set everything up and I was like, I have to film right now because I'm so excited. I finally got one of the handbags off of my luxury wish list. It's one of the handbags that was, I'm pretty sure they're like discontinued, and if they do still make them, it's like really boring. I'm starting to ramble because I'm so excited, but I'm ready to share this with you. Okay, little backstory. Phoebe Philo, you know, she was at Celine, and at Celine she developed like the luggage bag. Like that was her signature. Phoebe Philo, like early 2000s. That was the vibe. I was too young at that time, but I knew that was a great bag, but I was too young. I didn't have money back then. I could not afford to buy the bag. I've always had my eye on it. In my luxury wishlist video, I said I really want a tri-color luggage tote from Celine. I've seen a few on the website, but they only make it in the, I think they make the micro luggage and they make the nano, but they only make them in like 3 colors. That's it. It was like a beige, like a gray, and black. That's it. But I knew I wanted a tri-colored one. Guys, I'm really so happy. I found the bag. Listen, being patient is key. Being patient is key. On the thumbnail of that video, it was like a red one that I loved, but I knew I could never find it. I could never find it. And I've been on the hunt for months. I found a few other renditions that I did like, but every time I went to like pull the plug and buy it, it was already gone. That's why patience is key, and don't get discouraged on your journey, especially when it comes to these items that are pre-loved. Like, what you want will eventually turn up. I promise you. And in the condition that you want. Don't buy something impulsively just because like you're in like fear of missing out. Like, no, be patient. It will come back. If it is meant for you, it will come back to you. I'm still rambling. I'm trying to get all of my thoughts out. I'm so sorry, guys. You probably like, just show us the fucking bag. I know. If you not have heard of FashionPhile before, that's where I got this bag from. They're a secondhand consignment site. Listen, they do all the hard work for you. Heel over. Listen, I want to unbox the bag. It came in this huge box, obviously. I already opened it. And my name is on it, so let me just rip that off. Front of the box. Let's open her. It just says FashionPhile and their logo on the inside of the box. I love that step. It gives me that they didn't cheap out. Like, they didn't just send a regular freaking box. They actually have their own, you know, made boxes. I like that. A little FashionPhile nail file. They always include this. And then no matter what bag you get, even if it includes its own dust bag, they will always give you a FashionPhile dust bag. Can we have a little drum roll, please? What bag do you guys think that I got? Are you ready? Black handles. Red. Red what? I got a Celine micro luggage tote. Oh my god, they did not disappoint. This bag looks so good. This bag was listed as flawed, like it had signs of wear, which I was aware of. This is a cream colored base, so there's like a little staining here, and there's a light stain right here at the bottom. I am not afraid of that stain. I know that I'll be able to get that out. I was more concerned with the sides. Like, I didn't want the sides to be super crushed. Like, I've seen some all leather ones super crushed. The Celine is still there perfectly. Like, it's not chipping or anything. Oh my god. There's bubble wrap in here. The inside looks amazing. Again, like I told you, they include a FashionPhile dust bag no matter what, but this bag does have its original dust bag, which I love. Let's smell it. It actually does not smell any kind of way. Because I watch a few girls who get handbags from FashionPhile, and sometimes it'll smell like cigarettes or something like that in case they were a smoker, or just have like a weird smell in general, like mothballs and stuff like that. This has no smell. I love it. I love it, and I'm so happy to have this. What? Like, pinch me. I mean, I knew I wanted it for fall, but it's giving. I'm about to go to the mall and bring my bag up right now. I love it. I love it. And then also one thing about FashionPhile, they always will put this card of authenticity on there, and once you snip it off, the handbag is yours. You will not be able to return it. So basically, always make sure that you are okay with everything before you pop that tag off, because once you pack that tag off, it's yours. They'll buy it back from you, but it's yours. I'm really happy. I love this bag. Oh my god. It looks really great. Would you guys agree? I'm sorry, I'm just trying to take everything in and make sure it does not have any flaws. Like, I don't want to be so super excited to the point that I overlook something. But everything looks really good to me. You tell me, guys, do you think the Celine luggage trend is over? In my opinion, in my humble opinion, I feel like tiny bags are kind of going out of style. The bigger bags are coming back in, and while necessarily I won't say which specific big bags are coming back in, I know Celine is going to make a comeback. I know it is. And even if it doesn't, honestly, I've always loved this bag. I love the robot face. Like, it's such a cute bag. I don't care if it comes out of style or not. Like, I'm going to wear this bag. And imagine me, like, you know, on top of my carry-on suitcase, just heading out the door. Wow. I feel so grateful to be in a position that I'm able to buy stuff like this. I'm over the moon happy. I'm happy that I picked up the camera and just started recording this. You're getting my raw, authentic reaction right now, and I really love this bag. It almost feels like a full circle moment for me because, you know, as a little girl growing up, I've always liked nice things. Like, I've always been very vocal about liking nice things. I can always just imagine, like, telling my mom, like, oh my god, I want this Louis Vuitton bag, I want that bag, and she's like, girl, if I don't got one, you're not getting one. But it feels like, you know, I'm finally in a position to make my own bigger purchases. I can purchase what I like, and the things that are able to heal my inner child, I am all for. Like, this bag just healed a part of my inner child. You guys don't even know. Like, what? Full circle moment right now. Another one added to the collection. I don't even know where I'm gonna put her because I'm overstuffed to capacity behind me. But I'll make a way, and I'll find a way to display her because she's staying. She's not going anywhere. You're gonna have to cut her from my arms to get rid of her. So now I just wanted to go over a few little specs of the bag that I just bought. Basically, like I said before, I got it from FashionPhile. The FashionPhile's website that sells secondhand, gently used stuff. You can always guarantee authenticity when you're buying from FashionPhile. They take the hassle of all of that stuff. They have certified, trained professionals who will authenticate the bag before purchasing. When I say I've been looking for this bag for months, I've been looking for this bag for months in good condition. And I finally found it, and I was just like, you know what? I just got a new job. It's paying better than what I was making before. Time to finally pull the trigger. Treat yourself. Like, I'm a firm believer in treating yourself. When you get accomplishments, sometimes we don't take the time to, like, give ourselves a pat on the back. Please give yourself a pat on the back when you're meeting your milestones and doing great in life, because it feels good. It feels good. Because now every time I look at this bag, I'll be like, you know, I bought it when I finally had the funds to, and I'm so happy about that. Very, very happy. I can't wait to take her outside. Unfortunately, you know, on FashionPhile, because it is, like, you know, one of ones and it's secondhand market, that this style will no longer be readily available. I mean, unless someone has this rendition and is selling it. But I have some link down below that you can take a look at for amazing price. Like, if you are interested in a Celine bag, now is the time to get it. Because like I said, I feel like big bags are about to make a comeback. And specifically, I feel like this bag is going to make a comeback. So if you were ever interested in a Celine bag, buy it now before it goes back up in resale value. Just like the Dior Saddle bag did. Because I know girls who got the Dior Saddle bag for $400 on the pre-love market. Now it's going for like, old ones are going for like over $2,000 on the pre-love market. And I feel like this is going to happen with Celine, especially the ones that are in good condition. So if you were gonna bite the bullet, do it now. Like if you wanted it, do it right now. Now is the time, baby. But this was just a really quick video. Literally the package just came and I just wanted to get on camera and show you guys because I'm so happy. And if you are not tired of seeing my face, click on another video somewhere on the screen and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.